Hey, it's Bill. I'm here at Wonders of Wildlife in Springfield, Missouri, and today I'm going to go swim with sharks. Wait, what? Wonders of Wildlife in Springfield, Missouri has one of the most captivating aquariums in the entire country. And on this particular visit, I took part in a new program, which allows visitors to literally go into the water and experience sharks and other fish of all sizes and colors up close and personal. All right, here we go. After suiting up, you're slowly lowered into a specially designed cage that's directly inside one of the main aquariums. You'll wear a special helmet that provides constant oxygen flow. It's heavy, about 25 pounds, though it feels a bit lighter once you're in the water. Once inside, you'll kneel at the bottom of the cage and enjoy about 15 to 20 minutes of uninterrupted views. To be honest, neither the fish or the sharks really seem to care that you're in there, but it is pretty amazing to put yourself into their habitat and get a glimpse of what it's like inside the fishbowl looking out.